We are pleased to show you the 2024 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, LED headlights, tires rear all season, privacy glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.